watching Dave's TV. And now to Dave, bringing you another beer review. Take it away, Dave.
What's up, everyone? Dave from Dave's TV. Welcome to the channel, and we're in the driveway. Got the smoker rolling, getting it ready to smoke some pork tenderloins. You know, when you barbecue or smoke, whatever, you got to have a beer. So we're going to do another beer review, and this is one from Brew Dog. This is called their Wingman Tropical Storm Imperial IPA. It says brewed for the bold, and this is 9.5% ABV. That is what it looks like. Now the can-on date says April 23rd of 2024, and it is actually March 15th at the time of this video. So we're coming on a year old, but it is an Imperial IPA, so hopefully it has withstand the shelf life. Not much on here. It says brewed Columbus, Ohio, USA, driven by passion and united by Brew Dog. Got a neat little parrot on there. Let's check it out. Oh, nice pop. Good color. Kind of an off-white head. That's what it looks like. Dark color, definitely hazy. Bubbles, I can see somewhat going up. Yeah, there you go. I can just catch it just right. That head is a little off-white. Smells good from here. Yeah, it looks good to me. It's been smelling good from way over here. Let's get some of this foam. If you're new to the channel, I hard pour everything. It's okay. You pour it however you like it. All right. Once again, that's what it looks like. Let's put a nose on it. Getting like a candied sweetness smell. Got some on the lip. It's okay. Mango. It's going to be a tropical. Pineapple. Foam tastes pretty good. That's all I'm getting. Pineapple and mango. A little bit of citrus in there. Well, I'm tired of talking, and I'm tired of sniffing. Let's try it out. Cheers. Oof. You can definitely taste the ABV. Oh, that's nice. Not bad for almost a year old. It has held up well. Yeah, I'm definitely getting mango and pineapple right off the bat. There is some bitterness, but to me it doesn't taste that bitter. Slight bitterness. I would say anywhere from 30, maybe 40 IBUs, if that. Got a good medium mouthfeel, good carbonation. Mango and pineapple, and a little bit of citrus on that back end, hitting with that bitterness on the back end. Well, Brew Dog, I'm impressed that this is almost a year old, and it has withstood the time of the shelf on the old ABC Fine Wine Liquor Beer Store, or liquor store, whatever you want to call it. We all called it liquor store, but you can buy beer in there. Their craft beer is starting to dwindle, and I don't understand. I love craft beer, so I will keep searching. Need to venture out of my county, though. But I'm sure some other counties have some better selections. I would love to have a Total Wine here, but I bought this. Would I buy this again? Yeah, I think I would. Would I drink it again? Heck to the yeah. Scale of 1 to 10, 10 being good. I'm going to give this a 7.7. Only reason it's not getting an 8 is because it's almost a year old, and it probably was even 10 times better when I'm drinking it. But man, it is upheld the time. So not bad. I like this. But that's my take on it, ladies and gentlemen. And before we get out of here, if you would, subscribe to my channel, please. It is free. It costs nothing. If you decide that you don't like it, stay subscribed. It's okay. I do the same thing when I don't like somebody's channel. I stay subscribed, and I even still watch stuff. Doesn't mean I don't like it. I'm just not interested. They have great content. It's just maybe not my thing, but I'm going to stay loyal to them no matter what. I would appreciate the same thing. Hit the like button. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. And please drink responsibly. Don't drink and die. Cheers, everyone. I'm going to sit back in front of my truck here, finish this up, and we'll see you next time.